Right, my clutch cable setup isn't great. As you can see, a lot of movement on there because there's a lot of wiggly wobbliness on it, and very little movement there. So I think what we're going to do is put a rod in. So I'll get all that stripped off. Don't need any help, Eddie, thank you very much. I'm more than capable of messing this up myself. Right, I'm going to clamp that roughly position I want it in without twitting the camera. Move out there. That's about right. Maybe come back a little bit. About there, I reckon. Right, next thing I need to do is measure up and the angles and everything from the clutch arm to the clutch pedal. And the dogs are back helping. I haven't got any welding rod, but I have got a bit of brass bar. So we can sort of work out some rough angles. About there. I need to go twist that the other way now because it's a piece of flat bar.
1 minute later.
Well, I'll put a 90-degree twist in that so it's easy to bend. It's going to sit about there roughly and come out from here. And you can see that roughly. Another one. There, I reckon. A little bit. That's a bit better. That's better. Right, I'm happy with that. So next job, get some 10mm bar and we're going to bend that up to that shape. Cool down naturally.
15 minutes later.
We see if it fits. Let's sit there. It's going to sit there like that. Happy days. I think I've got enough clearance on that. Right, next thing to do is prep the ends. Got that one a bit on the piss, but it'll do. So that's all fitted in place. I'll show you the pedal end in a minute. But that's working there. There's a little bit of wobble on that bar. not horrendous though. And pedal end is there. I need to make something up to fit in there. But that is enough clearance there just to operate the clutch. You're about to watch a strange man on the internet polish his rod.
One eternity later.
So for this side I have made up a big nut. Let's see about there. Where's my big bolt gone? I've lost my bolt, hang on.
5 minutes later.
I found me bolt. It's not loose, just give it a nip. Throw the spanner away, don't need that, do we? That sit nicely. There we go. Happy with that. We'll see how we get on with that. So there we are then, that's my clutch rod installed. Seems to be a lot more positive. We'll see how we get on with it. I haven't took off any of the bosses, so if I need to I can go back to doing a cable again. Last thing I want to do is just clean up that bit of weld there, but I'll do that off camera. No point boring you with that, I've bored you enough. Thanks for watching.